Hi everyone, welcome to English 101 or Writing 1. So this might not be your exact course number because I have several courses that meet on Wednesday. So today is August the 15th, 2022, and this is the beginning of the fall 22 school year. So I want to say hi, I'm your instructor, Addison James, and this is our Blackboard course. So what I've opened up for you right now has a 00 module with video resources, and you can see some information there. 00 the hub, that is the name of the ebook, and you can click on information to access the ebook. And when you go to set up or to click this link, it might say log in, and you say, I don't have a login. Well, there's a sign up or join or whatever. You click that, and then you have to create a username and a password to get in to have access to the ebook. There's no cost, there's nothing else, and then you only do that once. Once you then go back to this link, it always just going to log you right in. I set my username and password to be the same as my KCTCS email and my password to the system here. So it's easy for me to remember if I have to use it. Then I have the 00 getting started techie type stuff. You have an overview here, a discussion board. That's for any like typical questions from the first week about just the course, the policies, anything like that. You could just ask a question here. Maybe someone in the class will answer you, or maybe I'll come in and answer. There's a discussion board about what's called a brevity. And then I'm giving you some information on Microsoft. The Waffle is what I call it, and Blackboard Ultra. And then I ask you to upload an image or an avatar to Blackboard so you don't have that little gray silhouette. The next thing to look at is Module 1. The marshmallow test. Have an overview, and then you have to do some reading in the ebook, and then you begin to get some questions and assignments that have due dates that are this week during our first week of the course. So you scroll through there and just kind of check that out. Then I have everything else hidden except for that's it, except for the module 01 right there, and then the getting started information. So we're going to be meeting in class in person on Wednesday in room 37 in the auditorium building. So we're going to go over the syllabus then, and we're going to go over some Blackboard stuff and get you kind of on your way for the assignments. So right now, until the first day, you don't have anything to do necessarily. You can just kind of check out Blackboard. Check out the syllabus and start reading it. But if you don't do anything other than just open the Blackboard course, that would be fine as well, and then you can get started on Wednesday. So I'm looking forward to having a good semester, and look forward to being your instructor. The best way to get in touch with me is via email, so send me an email if you have questions, comments, concerns, or talk to me in person on Wednesday. But I look forward to seeing everyone. Have a good day, have a good first day, have a good first week, and I'll talk to you later.